Your S&P target for next year, the most bullish on the street. What are you seeing that maybe some other people aren't seeing? What's the catalyst for this big rise?
Well, I've been seeing a resilient economy really since early last year. I agreed with the concerns that we might be in a recession, but I said it was a rolling recession hitting different industries at different times, and I think that's played out pretty well over the past couple of years. I'm seeing rolling recoveries as we go into next year. Housing certainly looks like it's bottomed. We had a very strong number for housing starts yesterday. I think retailing is bottoming. I think that the commercial real estate recession is still ahead of us, but it's probably going to stay fairly well contained, particularly in old office buildings. Consumer is really the key here. The consumer has been remarkably resilient.
Hmm.
Been a lot of people saying that they're going to run out of excess savings accumulated during the pandemic, but I'm looking at the labor market and there's still plenty of job openings and wages are actually rising faster than prices. So those are
Yeah.
just some of the things that I'm seeing.
Yeah, consumer just continues to spend, Ed. So we've covered, you're very bullish on 2024, but give us a sense as we see futures under a bit of pressure this morning, partly, I would think, due to FedEx's results
FedEx, yeah.
and the view of the global economy. What is your WEX word of the day?
Well, Merry, it's we've got a Merry Christmas ahead of us, and I think the Santa Claus rally actually started on October 27th. That's when we bottomed from the correction we had since July 31st. So I'm feeling pretty merry about the markets, and the markets are certainly showing that investors are adopting the same attitude.
Right. So you see a Santa Claus rally coming. What leads this Santa Claus rally that you're expecting to start next week?
Well, again, I think it's already started. I think it's come ahead of schedule, and I think the market anticipated that Fed Chair Powell would be Santa and not the Grinch, and so far that's played out. But I think the leadership will continue to be in technology. But I think the market's really broadening out to financials, industrials would be the areas that I'd be looking at.
NASDAQ under pressure in the pre-market, hardest hit, down about 0.25%. Your pick for us, one of them, are the triple Qs. Give us a sense. Wasn't that the trade everybody piled into? Why are you still bullish on this trade?
Well, it is a crowded trade. I'll grant you that, and everybody has been buying technology stocks, but
Right.
they've been buying basically 8 stocks, and I think the technology trade is going to broaden.